The driver's seat features a digital dashboard, intuitive steering wheel controls, and an impulse gear lever, complemented by paddles. The instrument panel brings together all the information you need to drive. The screen display is fully customizable. You can set the design of the screen and choose the information that you want to see. You can also change the color of the display. Each screen design contains a field that displays information. Press one of these buttons to display information about vehicle info, consumption, distance traveled, eco monitor, and media. To reset your journey information manually, such as travel distance or consumption, press and hold the OK switch. Note that the eco monitor tells you about your driving style. The bigger the circle in the green zone, the better you're controlling your speed and acceleration, and the better your anticipation. It shows that your driving is economical. Use this button on the steering wheel to select a view mode from several designs: driving aids, classic, navigation, and minimal. Each cluster view displays a speedometer, the current gear, the fuel level indicator, your predicted range with fuel remaining, current multi-sense mode, and the engine temperature. The driving aids design displays active driving aids on a full-screen version. The classic design displays a rev counter. The navigation design displays the openR Link multimedia system navigation map. The minimal design provides essential information only. To set the color of the ambience lighting and the openR screens, go to the vehicle world of your multimedia system. Press the Configure button on the Multisense menu and select the Life Onboard tab. If you select Changing Lights from the Ambient Lighting menu, the system automatically changes the color of the passenger compartment lighting and openR screens every 30 minutes to provide the most suitable ambient light color for each part of the day. Select Personal to choose one of 48 colors manually. Press this icon, then move the cursor over the color palette. Press OK to confirm your chosen color. Note that you can use this knob to change the multisense mode. All of your vehicle's main controls are on the multifunction steering wheel. The left-hand branch holds the driving aid controls. Use this button to switch the speed limiter, adaptive cruise control, or active driver assist on or off. Use this button to set a following distance, and this one to adapt the speed set point to detected speed limits. The switch marked O puts the limiter and cruise control functions on standby. Use this button to recall a stored speed. Lastly, press this button to increase your limited or cruising speed, or press this one to reduce it. On the right-hand branch of the steering wheel, you can adjust the instrument panel display, manage phone calls, and switch on voice recognition. Use this button to select the view mode for screen on your instrument panel. Press one of these buttons to select the information that you wish to display. When your telephone is connected to your vehicle, press this button to pick up or end a phone call. Tap this button to switch on your openR Link multimedia system's voice recognition. Press and hold it to switch on voice recognition on your phone. The gear lever is fitted on the center console. It consists of a one-touch selector for positions R, reverse, N, neutral, D, drive, and a side button for position P, park. Move the gear lever 2 notches, forwards or backwards, to engage the desired gear, then release the lever. The engaged position is shown on the instrument panel. You have to depress the brake pedal to switch from one position to another. If the brake pedal is not depressed, an audible signal sounds, and the current position flashes on the instrument panel, accompanied by the message, "Depress the brake pedal." Position P is engaged automatically when the engine stops, when the driver unbuckles their seat belt, or opens their door when the vehicle is stationary. To engage position P manually, with the vehicle stationary, and the engine running or the ignition on, press this button. The indicator light on the button comes on when the P position is activated. Depending on the vehicle, you can use the paddles behind the steering wheel to change gears manually when the lever is in the D position. Press the left paddle to downshift and the right paddle to upshift. You are now in temporary manual mode. When you stop using the paddles, the gearbox returns to automatic mode. Bear in mind that the P, N, and R positions are not accessible using the paddles. To activate permanent manual mode, with the gear lever in D, press and hold the right paddle. The position displayed on the instrument panel changes from D to M, to indicate that manual mode is activated. To optimize your vehicle's performance, a plus sign appears next to the selected gear to prompt you to shift up. Note that to protect the gearbox, if the engine speed is not adequate when you wish to downshift, the gear change will not be available. The gear ratio will then flash and then light up steadily when conditions are right. Use the left paddle then, to downshift. Finally, to deactivate manual mode and return to automatic mode, press and hold the right paddle again, or move the gear lever 2 notches backwards. The gear displayed will then change from M to D.